I did art at school, and then I'd always been kind of a moderately enthusiastic weekend sketcher, but with less and less time with job and then having children, pretty much ground to a complete halt, which was why it was such a nice revelation when I got my first Green Fox Workshops voucher.
I hadn't done any art for 50 years, I think it was, and I thought, oh, how am I ever going to be able to paint this? And after 6 weeks, I think it was, I just got this amazing picture which has been on my kitchen wall ever since.
In 2019, my mother-in-law bought me a sketching tour of Tintsfield, having never done any art since I left school, where we've done mixed media and biros and coloured pencils and acrylic, and it's the variety that I really enjoy.
It has been tremendously important for my well-being, bringing me back to simply a focus on an image. It's like a meditation.
So that is your sky. I'm probably going to keep adding and working.
Just being able to sit and, listen to Gemma. She's very soothing the way that she teaches.
And I'm just going to put in that little mark.
I have quite a stressful job, and I have a tendency to anxiety when I get stressed. Picking up a pencil or a paintbrush and doing some art really helps me leave all that sort of fuss and bother in my mind behind.
Gemma's guidance is just gentle but encouraging. It's always a real laugh, and you always take away a finished piece, which is a major win.
I just really got into it, and it really helped my well-being.
Being able to produce half-decent pictures with something that I would never have started on my own, and I've got a room full of paintings on the wall in frames, so they can't be that bad. Even the wife puts them in frames.